Hello all. Good afternoon. I hope you had a good lunch and I hope you are not sleepy. So I'll try to keep you awake as much as possible. My name is Raj. I head the enterprise business for Haptik. Been with Haptik for the last 6 years now. Great. So I'm going to talk about the power of generative AI on WhatsApp and how retailers and e-commerce players can leverage the power of generative AI on WhatsApp. Great. So to start with, just a quick round of introduction about Haptik. We started in 2013 as a consumer app, been in this space for the last 10 years now. Got acquired by Reliance Jio in 2019. And since then, we have been powering conversations for Jio across lines of businesses like telecom, international roaming, Jio Fiber, Jio Mart, Reliance Retail across brands. So we work with more than 30 brands across Reliance Retail. We're also partnered officially with Meta to power conversations across the ecosystem like Facebook, Instagram, and we are one of the most preferred partners when it comes to large-scale deployments on WhatsApp. We're partnered with Google to power multilingual conversations in more than 100 languages across the globe. And we use Microsoft's LLM models to power our generative AI capabilities. So we have been working with more than 500 clients across verticals in the enterprise segment and more than 20,000 SMBs on WhatsApp. Again, within those 500 enterprise clients, retail and commerce is our top vertical. We have deep domain expertise in this vertical. So we are working with more than 150 retail enterprises. Um, and while chatbots have traditionally been used as a support mechanism, today what we are also doing is taking chatbots to the next level, wherein they are more human-like, and now we are also using them to generate revenue for you. So we have launched something called generative AI-powered sales assistant, wherein the bot itself acts as a virtual sales assistant, which can help resolve the user queries. So earlier, most of the bots were logic-based, and what we're trying to bring in a fundamental shift is to kind of make them more human-like, so that whenever the users ask questions around products and the features, the conversations are more personalized in nature, and the recommendations are more personalized in nature. So the bot actually is aware of the brand guidelines, is aware of what you're selling, how you're selling, what do your products mean to the customers. So with all of this context, it is able to personalize the recommendations for the users so that they actually translate into actual purchases or something like adding product to the cart. So this is a quick example of how Tira, which is one of the largest, beauty and cosmetics aggregator in India, have been using generative AI to power conversations and help users with personalized recommendations. So they have seen an uptick in terms of conversions, both in getting the users to visit the product detail page and also helping the users add products to the carts. So we've got a great case study wherein the engagement rates have gone up, the redirections to the product page have gone up. Um, and just to kind of, also extrapolate this into multiple channels. So while, the bot can be deployed across channels like website, mobile app, across social media channels, WhatsApp is a great channel to deploy your generative AI-powered chatbot, wherein users can either organically come and start shopping, or you can also leverage your social media spends on Facebook and Instagram, get the users to click on the ads, and then land up on WhatsApp and provide a very personalized experience. So WhatsApp now has launched a lot of new design elements wherein you can actually customize the forms, you can have radio buttons, drop-down buttons, you can have customized fields wherein you can quickly set up logics and fields based on your business needs and drive more meaningful conversations. So you can use WhatsApp flows for lead generation, lead qualification, store locator, a bunch of other use cases wherein the entire experience is more app-like. So we've seen a great uptick here and brands like Kotak Life Insurance and Max Life Insurance have been using this very profusely. Right. And then just like we have WhatsApp, we also have rich communication services, which is RCS. So it's launched, and a lot of our clients have now started using RCS. So essentially, just like you send notifications on WhatsApp, now you can also send notifications on RCS. We have some great numbers in terms of open rate and reply rates on RCS, and this is another channel which is evolving very, very quickly, and then a lot of users are also using RCS in tandem with WhatsApp to kind of, drive interactions on Android devices. And obviously, RCS will also be available on iPhone and iOS this July. So, you can start leveraging RCS on both Android and iOS and power one-way communication as well as two-way communication on both sets of OSs. So yeah, with that, I'll kind of, quickly wind up. But if you are a brand from a retail space and you haven't been talking to Haptik, then we need to speak. All you have to do is just scan this QR code, and you will be able to, reach out to us, and we'll create a generative AI-powered bot for you within 2 days. If you need more information about how to get started to build your own generative AI-powered bot, please reach out to us on our booth. My name is Raj. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much, and have a great evening.